is it a good time to buy MARA stock? So MARA stock, that is the Marathon, is still showing, or rather still has the momentum that arose from the indication or the disclosure by BlackRock as of Thursday the 15th of June 2023, that it is going to launch an ETF on NASDAQ. So BlackRock, Mara stock, and indeed all the other Bitcoin related stocks advanced, and Mara is still doing that, still showing strength. And the question is it a good time to buy Mara stock? So given the fact that it has been consolidating for, I would say, the best part of almost 3 months, and has now broken away from that sideways range, given what has happened, well, just maybe you could just say 2 trading sessions. By some measures, some market participants might conclude that yes, maybe it may be a good time to get into the stock right now, maybe given the credence that BlackRock has given to Bitcoin by going ahead to pursue this listing of an Bitcoin ETF. You could say yes, maybe technically, or technically it could be that consolidation, the consolidation around this sort of price it is right now, consolidation around I would say consolidation around the consolidation of the strength it started to show as of sometime in mid to early March, that took it all the way towards $11.94. You could say that consolidation has gone on for the best part of 3 months, maybe, and it didn't decline, it didn't bottom out, it didn't decline, just continued to consolidate and move sideways. Filled up this gap that was here, this gap we saw that we can visibly see from early early April, from early April up to mid-April. Is that consolidation to some extent is just maybe filling up that huge spike that occurred around that time. So technically you could say that, you could say it into a great extent that it may be a good time to get into Mara stock, maybe pick up a position there and just see how things go. But if you're going to use that strategy, then you probably can just open with a small amount of money, something you can really afford to ignore and probably lose, and just see whether it's going to advance or not. And you can come back and probably pick up, maybe average down if it's not doing well as you probably want it. So we also know that broadly speaking, things are not as bad as some naysayers out there in the media and elsewhere are saying. Things are not as bad. So going by what is going on amongst the 16 the most actively traded stocks in the US markets, I would say about 16,000 of them. I would say that out of that 16,000, assuming 16,000 are the most liquid US stocks yes, the most liquid US stocks, 60% of those stocks are trending right now. 60% of those stocks are trending right now. So what does that mean? 60% is roughly 1,600 times 6, around 6,400 of them are trending. And on average, these stocks keep trending until they have run up a gain of around 30%. So don't you think that Marathon is probably part of that 16,000? And don't you think that it's probably amongst that 60% that are currently trending? But in any case, whatever it is, right now, things stand right now, it's gained 16.08%. And on its 1 minute live chart, we have upper projections of $11.72. That's the most extreme upper projection. On the 1 minute live chart, the most extreme downward projection is 11.12. So let's look at the 1 day chart and see what we have there. On the 1 day chart, we have upper projections of top on 19 and 13.24, 14.41 and 18.21. And interestingly enough, 18.21 will take it just slightly above its 52-week high of $18.15. So as things stand right now, Mara is trading at a 36.63% discount to its 52-week high of $18.15. And the algos we have on this chart, on this daily chart, is projecting that it can reach and surpass that 52-week high of 18.15. So there's no guarantee that's going to happen. There are indeed downward projections of 10.81, 9.97, 8.48, and all the way down to $4.89. So see what you make of MAR stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.